This is a recommendation system for the research area topic selection. This is done by fuzzy system in MATLAB tool. So here how it's working. So we are taking a 5 skills as a maths and coding and networking, embedded system and database. Those 5 skill evaluating a research topic, how much match to the person's skill. So one by one, we are evaluating all research areas. So we build a several model. So when we going for a input and fuzzy logic, here we are taking maths and coding and all input. So the universe of discourse for the input values 0 to 10. So the person evaluating his skill level as a 0 to 10. That time we in the membership we are making that fuzzy value as a membership function. So the membership function, what we are actually doing, we are taking the person has a high skill from 2.5 to 7.5 if a person's skill is increasing, so that high skill. And if the person's skill is 7.5 to 2.5, we are taking the person's skill is reducing. So under 2.5 it's as a low, upper to 7.5 we are taking it as a high. So in that medium we are taking medium skill. So likewise we all input variables are created like this. So when we come to the output system also we are taking the fuzzy output as a not recommended, medium and recommended. The not recommended is below 50 percentage. The here universe of discuss is 0 to 100. It's telling that how much the research topic area is suitable for this set of skilled person. So if the person have the below 50 percentage matching, then that's permanently not recommended. Otherwise 15 percentage to 50 percentage it's reducing. Likewise 50 percentage to 80 percentage, 85 percentage, the person skill is increasing, it's as a recommended. Above 85 percentage we are telling it as a recommended set of skills for that person. If it is a medium, we are taking 20 to 80, that level as a medium. So it's giving the well distributed output. So if you go for a rules of the system, so this is built for the machine learning model. So in this machine learning model, we are thinking the person should have the good knowledge about mathematics and codings. Other networking and embedded system databases are not that much required for that person. So here the maths and codings are doing their job. So we are write the rules only for those two whole state of levels. We specifying that is it recommended or not recommended or medium. So likewise we build. So if you go for a surface of the model, this is the surface of the model. You can see this model, it's well distributed model. So here we are using x-axis as a maths and y-axis as a coding. So here everything distributed very well. So this is telling our model is very scalable model. And if you go for a rule, the rules also likewise. So only the maths and coding part is the decision, the making that influence for that this model. Other networking and embedded system and databases are not doing any influence in this model. So likewise here we are using Centroid defalsification method, so that it's doing the Centroid evaluation here. So here first initially it's taking 5 as a initial value. So it's telling output as a 5, the crispy output. So this is the way we implemented this model.
So moving to the deployment of our application, like decision making application. So in here first we create a function, first get the input from that particular student. So what are the skill levels of like math, coding, networking, embedded system and database. And after that we already create the fish files from the fuzzy system. So in here input all 5 fields for each and every subject, then get the output from that fuzzy system. And after that, like our main deployment is like get the percentage of all subject of that student and what are the recommended subject for him. So this is our main deployment. So let's I run the app. So first the enter the input, so I will give the input. So after I give the input, like that fuzzy system generate every percentage for each subjects. And after that what are the recommended subject, machine learning and embedded system. In here see the machine learning and embedded system have a higher percentage, that's why it choose. And also like we generate we create a application, standalone application for this procedure, the same procedure, but like we create from 2018 MATLAB app designer, like a in UI. So same like that, first we have to give the input, and then like in after press the calculate button, like here see it generate the percentage of every subjects and what are the recommended subjects. So likewise we create a standalone application also. So that's all for our deployment. Thank you.